Figured out what was wrong with my car the whole time. I thought it was the bearing, but somehow it was a loose bolt or a bolt missing in my housing of my brake caliper. So that's what it was. So now the car's completed, we put it all back together, so now we're going to go home and figure out what's going on, which home is not a real home, but everything's temporary. So I'm staying in a tent trailer on my parents' property, and I don't like it. I pretty much consider myself homeless because I don't have a shower or a bathroom in my house. So I have somewhere to sleep, but it's not ideal. So my ideal outcome would be that I could make enough money with YouTube that I could rent an apartment. So if I could make my channel booming that much that I could pay for one of my bills with my channel, that would be worth it to me. And that's why I want to do this, because I know that there's other people that need what's the word? Not motivation, but a desire to want to move forward, because sometimes life can be really difficult, and realizing that whatever situation you're in, your problems or the misery or the discomfort you are in is temporary. So if you can just keep moving forward on whatever you're doing, and you realize that whatever job you're in, it's a good job at the moment, but you don't have to do it for the rest of your life, is enough. Because when you realize that your end goal is to achieve your business and work for yourself, the best investment you can do is work for yourself. Invest in yourself. Be the best master of your circumstances, because love heals everything. So if you can master your circumstances and realize that the universe is going to take care of you, and then you don't need to be worried about anything, because whatever situation you're in, it might suck in the moment, it might be difficult because you're like, I don't know what to do with this situation, but realize that there's hope, and it's always gonna get better on the other side if you're willing to do the work. I just think it's really interesting with whatever experience you're going through and whatever you've gone through, you realize that I'm going to be the man that I wanted to be, because I didn't get to have these experiences growing up as a child because of the trauma that I went through. And I think it's so beautiful to realize that, hey, everything today is my responsibility. My responsibility is to take care of myself, take care of everything. I have to run a business, I have to work, I have to do like 150 to 10,000 things a day and remember all these things. And there's a time where you're going to realize that, hey, situations I've gone through are only going to make me stronger or better or more well-rounded. And that's the beauty of this journey, is I'm going to be the person that I want to be because I know that it's a learning experience. The universe, humans, other people, they can teach me experiences that I need. They can show me things. Like, I really want to learn how to talk to people, because if I look back at how I was talked to as a child, it wasn't the way I wanted to be talked to. And that's okay, because nor a good experience or a bad experience defines who you are. So if you've gone through situations where you're like, I don't like this, that's okay, because you can realize that, hey, this happened to me. It does not define who I am. It does not define what I'm going to become. And that's the beauty of this whole experience, is I'm going to be different. You can't get intimidated by certain people because you want to accomplish things that you want to accomplish, and then you'll get where you want to go. So she doesn't want my attention. She just wants to take my order. So I think I'm just going to walk away and go somewhere else for my business. So I'm just sitting here waiting, and I think it's kind of interesting when you decide on what you're willing to do or what length you're going to do that at.